Dear customers, we are Yurui Shandong Machinery Company Limited. We mainly doing the construction materials and also the production line for producing the construction materials. This is one of our special advantage compared with other competitors because we both know the construction materials and the machine, so we can know how to update the machine to increase the efficiency, to help customers develop different kinds of construction materials. So we really can get the market information timely. So Yuri can be trusted and our professionalism will not let you down. Welcome to contact us.